This mansion costs $27 million, but buyers keep walking away. You're looking at over 30,000 square feet of luxury. Indoor basketball court, wine cellar for 2,000 bottles, a home theater that seats 20 people. Everything screams wealth. But here's the thing, this property has been sitting on the market for over 18 months. Not a single offer, and it's not alone. In 2026, the luxury real estate market is facing something we haven't seen in decades. Homes priced over $20 million are sitting empty for months, sometimes years. Some are being slashed by millions, others going to auction just to find any buyer. So today I'm taking you inside this $27 million mansion to show you exactly why nobody wants to buy it, even the ultra-wealthy. Because what I found inside, it's not what you'd expect. Let's go. Okay, so right off the bat, look at this entrance. 20-foot ceilings, custom chandelier that cost probably $100,000 alone, marble imported from Italy. But here's what real estate agents aren't telling you. First impressions in the luxury market are brutal. And this house, it's trying too hard. When a property is priced at $27 million, buyers at that level aren't just looking for fancy. They want timeless. They want investment-grade architecture. This screams 2015. See this gold hardware, these specific light fixtures, the super trendy geometric patterns. 5 years ago, this was cutting edge. Today, it's already dated. And here's the problem: to update this to current luxury standards would cost another $3–5 million easily. So buyers are looking at this thinking, why would I pay $27 million for something I need to immediately spend millions more to renovate? Strike one. Now let's talk about location. This mansion sits on 1.5 acres, which sounds impressive until you realize what that actually means at this price point. In 2026, luxury buyers are split into two camps. They either want to be in the heart of exclusive neighborhoods, walkable to Rodeo Drive, Worth Avenue, or elite golf clubs, or they want true privacy. 20, 30, 50 acres where nobody can touch them. This property, it's in neither zone. It's in a residential neighborhood. Nice, sure, but you can see your neighbors, you can hear traffic. There's a golf course next door, which sounds great, except that means random people walking by, golf carts, noise. I talked to a luxury real estate agent who showed me the data. Homes in this in-between zone, the ones that are isolated but not really isolated, they're taking 67% longer to sell than properties in truly exclusive areas. Here's what one buyer told their agent. If I'm spending $27 million, I want to feel like I own the world around me, not just a big house in a neighborhood. Strike two. Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. Let me show you the amenities. Home theater, seats 20, custom everything. Probably cost $400,000 to build. Wine cellar, temperature controlled, holds 2,000 bottles. Indoor basketball court, full size. Infinity pool, spa, outdoor kitchen, pool house. Now, quick question. Do you know what it costs to maintain all of this? Climate control for this entire house, $6,000 to $8,000 per month just in electricity and HVAC. Landscaping for 1.5 acres of manicured grounds, $4,000 to $6,000 per month. Pool maintenance, water features, outdoor lighting, another $2,000 per month. And that's not even counting the big stuff: roof repairs, HVAC system replacements, technology updates. A property manager broke it down for me. Annual operating costs for a home like this, between $300,000 and $450,000 every single year just to keep it running. Now, sure, people shopping at $27 million can afford that. But here's what's changed in 2026. Even ultra-wealthy buyers are looking at carrying costs and asking, is this worth it? Because they could buy a $10 million penthouse in Miami or New York, pay $100,000 a year in costs, and still have $17 million left over to invest. Or buy multiple properties instead of one giant money pit. Strike three. Now here's something most people don't realize about luxury real estate. Even billionaires finance these deals. Mortgage rates in early 2026 are still hovering around 6.5% to 7% for jumbo loans. That's double what they were in 2020. So if someone puts down 30%, about $8 million, they're financing roughly $19 million at 7% interest. That's a monthly payment of around $126,000 just for the mortgage. Add in property taxes, probably $25,000 a month for a place like this. Insurance, which is skyrocketing in certain states, and you're looking at $170,000 per month in fixed costs. Over $2 million a year just to live here. Now compare that to 2020 when rates were at 3%. The monthly payment would have been around $80,000. That's a $46,000 per month difference. Over $500,000 more per year just because of rates. And here's the kicker, the kind of people who can afford this. They're financially sophisticated. They're running the numbers, and they're saying, I'm not paying an extra $500,000 a year just because I bought it in 2026 instead of 2020. So they wait, or they walk away. But here's what I think is really going on, and this is something real estate agents won't say out loud. The era of the mega mansion as a status symbol, it's ending. Think about it. In 2015, if you were worth $100 million, you bought a $30 million house to show people you made it. That was the move. But in 2026, billionaires are buying $10 million homes and spending the rest on experiences, investments, or multiple properties around the world. They'd rather own a penthouse in New York, a villa in Italy, and a beach house in Turks and Caicos than one massive estate they live in 6 months a year. Plus, there's a generational shift happening. Younger wealthy buyers, tech founders, crypto millionaires, the next generation inheriting wealth. They don't want to manage a 30,000 square foot property. They want simplicity, flexibility. They want to travel. This mansion, it's built for a version of wealth that's disappearing. And the market knows it. So will this house ever sell? Probably. But here's what'll have to happen. The price will drop, maybe to $22 million, maybe lower. Someone will buy it who wants the land more than the house, tear it down, build something new. Or it'll go to auction, sell for $18 million, and the next owner will spend millions renovating it into something that actually makes sense in 2026. The lesson: in luxury real estate, more isn't always better. And in 2026, the smart money is betting on flexibility, not excess. If you found this fascinating, hit subscribe. I'm touring more properties that tell stories like this one. Drop a comment. Would you ever want a house this big? And if you're wondering what I'd buy instead for $27 million, I'm covering that in the next video. See you there.